Hi, I'm Frank from SampleServe, and I'm going to show you how to fix missing or incorrect chemical group names and CAS numbers in your EIM data. Now, if you've been sampling a site for many years, or have switched labs, you may find that the way you group your chemical names and the CAS numbers may be inconsistent with what you're used to seeing. At SampleServe, we can obviously only report on the data that we're given, but it's super easy to fix and correct this data yourself, and let me show you how to do that. So first, what you want to do is you want to go to the Data tab of the project in question and pick the type of data that's incorrect. So in this case, I have lab data, groundwater lab data for this project. I'm going to open up my EIM data. Just going to download it real quick, and it opens in an Excel spreadsheet. And I've actually already started moving the columns around so you can see what we have here. But find the column that has your chemical names and your CAS numbers. And so in this case, you can see a lot of CAS numbers are inconsistent, so it's going to, or actually missing, so it's going to be really hard to report on. And I'll just correct a few of the CAS numbers. (61-9), I had that wrong. And I'll fix that just for these. And obviously I'm not going to fix all of them because this is just a really short demo, but make the changes. You can also change the wording and the names if you need to. Save the document, and then just simply go back into our application. You can grab the document and just drag it right back in. It's going to go ahead and upload it, and you see I've just uploaded the document, and the data has already been uploaded. Just that fast. Thank you for watching.